We have arrived at the airport for our first journey. We are going up in a helicopter today to take pictures and video for the Worthington promotional video as well as the Daily Globe, and it's going to be a fun ride. So this is our ride.
Yeah.
It looks safe.
It's safe.
It just stalled.
It just stalled, yeah.
Yeah, considering it's still not running, that worries me a little bit.
No, this is on purpose.
That's good.
Hi guys.
Yes, I am going up in that thing.
This is my dad. This is
Hi.
my dad, Alan, Brian
Nice to meet you,
Porthos,
Alan.
and
Aaron Hagen.
Aaron Hagen.
Hi.
And our pilot, Matt.
Hello, Matt. Aaron Hagen. Nice to meet you.
Matt, Brian. I'll come back.
Brian, are you ready for this?
Yes, I am, sir.
Excited? Nervous?
Yes.
Sounds good.
But Amber's with us, so.
Amber, are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
Matt, you better say you're ready for this. And as you can see, there are literally no doors on the side that Brian and I are going to be sitting, making it easier for us to fall out. Thank God for seatbelts. What's the in-flight movie today?
We don't have a movie today.
Oh,
You're
okay.
making the movie today, so. So we'll get you strapped in and everything. And front seat, you're in the front seat, right?
Yep.
So I need you to make sure these pedals I can't take out right now.
Oh, I
Okay.
can
So I
do
need
it
you
all
to make
at
sure you
once
don't
here.
just push on the pedals at all.
Okay.
Okay?
And what would happen if I did?
Yes, it went good.
I'm
this
probably gonna yell at
morning.
you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
I'm trying to avoid not being yelled at today.
just don't push
I love
on
you.
those.
See
I
you
won't.
I have to
later.
keep the middle clear for the
God.
collectors.
Okay. Yep, that's fine. So how many times have you actually flown?
Just a couple.
Okay.
Couple thousand.
Well, we're strapped in, as you can see here. Hopefully these don't come undone on the ride. How you guys doing back there?
Good.
Corthels,
Good.
still alive?
Ready to go.
We're ready to go. I look like a real pilot in these things.
Yeah, almost.
Almost. Well, here goes nothing. And we are safely back on the ground. Holy cow. Well, Brian,
Terra firma.
what'd you think?
It was fun. Had a good time.
Did you get some good pictures?
I tried. Did my best.
Was this your first helicopter ride?
It was, yeah.
Good.
Did you get sick?
And I too survived. Amber, what did you think?
I survived. The video's gonna be great. So is the vlog tomorrow.
No promises on either one of those. Well, it's time to go back to work. We survived our helicopter ride. Hopefully we got some decent pictures and video. But it was an experience, and yeah, it's good times.